Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download Firefox browser on ULEFONE Note 13P. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here find Firefox, hit the search button, select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here you can customize it, so pick a theme, change your toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up, read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Here we can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.